Hi friends, welcome to Porsche Motors. Today I review 2007 Porsche 911 Targa, 87,000 km only. It's an antique sports car. Let's check it out.
Welcome to our quick inspection of this 2007 Porsche 911 Targa 4S, generation 997. The dark gray paint and black alloy wheels are in excellent condition. And the signature sliding panoramic glass roof operates perfectly for that open-air experience. Inside, the cabin is in pristine condition, showing very well-preserved black leather and an automatic transmission. The automatic gear selector operates smoothly. We've also verified the factory electronic options. The driver's memory seat adjustments are fully responsive. The front seat heating elements cycle on perfectly, and the built-in USB terminal is fully operational. Sitting pretty at 87,000 miles, your next great road trip starts here. This 4S model successfully passes checks for its four-wheel drive system, rear detection sensors, and brake lock protection. Overall condition, excellent. Now let's get into the mechanical maintenance check. Popping the front hood, the front is clean, dry, and ready for you. The engine compartment is beautifully detailed dry and shows signs of consistent care. Belts, hoses, and visible components present beautifully, giving you absolute confidence in its mechanical health. It is exceptionally clean underneath. It shows normal, typical road wear consistent with its model year. Everything remains fully intact and firmly in place. We now proceed to the vehicle's paint inspection. The inspector is evaluating color consistency across all body panels, checking that the dark gray finish matches perfectly from the fenders to the doors and the hood. We're also examining the overall texture of the paint to ensure it's completely smooth and uniform across the entire car. Finally,
We ran a full OBD2 computer diagnostic scanner report. This tool plugs directly into the car's computer brain to check all electronic systems,
scanning for any hidden fault codes or engine misfires. To wrap it up, our OBD2 diagnostic scanner plugged into the car's computer brain found 0 hidden fault codes, 100% clear digital health. Reach out to Charles Kang at First Motors Korea today to make it yours.